Good morning, children. Then in the last video we have seen how to write advertisement. So advertisements are of two kinds. First is commercial or display, and second is classified. So in our syllabus we have to read classified advertisement. In the last class we have already read about classified advertisement, that it is of so many kinds: situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, for purchase, and situation vacant we have already discussed also. How to write the advertisement situation vacant has been already discussed. So in today's class I am going to tell you about situation wanted. Situation wanted and situation vacant are very close to each other. So now let's see the main features of the advertisement situation wanted. So first of all, how to recognize that this advertisement will come in the category of situation wanted. First we will go through the question very carefully, and if in the question it is asked that a person needs a job, a person wants a job, employment, he is a job seeker, he wants a job, then we will know that this is situation wanted. Situation wanted is related to the word want. If you want something, then situation wanted. If there is vacancy, then situation vacant. So now let's come to the main features of situation wanted. So first point is candidates' educational qualification, other qualification, and experience in the service to be mentioned. So the very first point is that we have to write what is the qualification of candidate, educational qualification of the candidate. Then if he has any other qualification, then we write about other qualification. Then the candidate's experience, for how many years, for how many months the candidate has worked in that field. Age, sex, and married or unmarried to be mentioned. Next point is what is the age of the candidate, if he or she is married or unmarried, or if he or she is male or female. Point number 3, paid desired by the candidate. And the third point, which is the essential point, paid, salary. What salary does he or she expect? What salary does he or she desire? The kind of job, area, timing to be mentioned. What type of job the candidate wants to get? What kind of work? And in which area? In which city does he prefer? Timing. What kind of timing does suit him? So these things are to be mentioned. Contact address, email or mobile number to be mentioned. And at last, which is common to any kind of classified advertisement, that is contact address. Mobile number you can give, email ID you can give. So these are all the features of situation wanted advertisement. Now once again, the features of situation wanted advertisement. So first one is candidates educational qualification, other qualification and his experience. Number 2, his age, sex and if he or she is married or unmarried. Then next is kind of job. In which area does he want to work? And what timing does he like? Then salary expected, salary desired, and at last contact address. And at the top, we have not to forget to write the topic situation wanted. So now question. You are Ajay Shivam of 29 Cave Road, Hyderabad. You have 4 years of experience as a French instructor with an international school abroad. You now wish to settle in your home city. Draft an advertisement for the classified columns stating your qualification and experience. So you can see the solved example here. MA French. So as we have seen the feature, so the first feature is of situation wanted advertisement that you have to write about qualification, his educational qualification. Sometimes maybe in the question educational qualification is mentioned, sometimes not mentioned. If not mentioned, then you have to write from your own side. As here it is written MA French. Although in the question MA French is not mentioned, but it is mentioned that he is French instructor. So you have to guess that his qualification will be MA French. So first of all, his educational qualification is written MA French. Then sex. In the feature we have also read about sex. So it's written male. Now, where did he get the degree? Then educated in UK. After that, experience. 4 years experience as a French instructor in an international school abroad. Now, category of job, type of job, what kind of job does he want? We have seen this in feature. So, it is also mentioned here. Seeks a teaching position in and around Hyderabad. Locality, area, where does he want to work? We have seen that it is to be mentioned in feature. So here he has written in and around Hyderabad. Is proficient in instrumental music. We have also read about other qualification. So here other qualification is mentioned. Is proficient in instrumental music and dramatics. Expected salary. The last feature we have read expected salary, desired salary. So here expected salary is mentioned, that is 40,000 per month. And at the bottom, at last, contact address. So contact address is also mentioned here. So as we have seen the features in the same way in this solved example, everything is mentioned. So now I think easily you can write the advertisement situation wanted. Now the second advertisement, that is for sale or purchase. So let's see the features of the advertisement for sale or purchase. So first one is start with sale, purchase or wanted. Means if your advertisement is for sale, then you have to start with the word sale. If your advertisement is for purchasing something, then start with purchase or wanted. Second point is brief description of the property, vehicle or goods. So second point is that in brief, in short, we have to describe the thing which we have to purchase or sell. Suppose we have to purchase property. Property refers to here building, and assets refer to here your valuable household goods. So if it is about property, then you have to mention on which floor do you prefer, second floor, third floor, ground floor, or how many rooms do you need, what should be the sizes of the rooms, and other facility such as water facility, electricity facility, these things. If vehicle, the color, the model, accessories, price and mileage to be mentioned. If we have to buy or sell a vehicle, then we must mention what is the model of this vehicle. We must mention what is the mileage. We must mention what is the color. So these things are to be mentioned for purchasing or selling vehicle. If household goods, brand, model, year of manufacturing to be mentioned. And if you have to buy or sell any household goods such as fridge, cooler, washing machine, then first thing to be mentioned is brand, then model also, then in which year it was manufactured, for buying and selling. For both kinds of advertisement, we have to mention these things. If furniture, material to be mentioned, price offered, expected, contact address and phone number. If it is about furniture, then which material is used in furniture, if the furniture is of plastic or the furniture is wooden, we must mention. And then the price of everything is essential, whether you want to buy or whether you want to sell. And at last, like any kind of classified advertisement, contact address. And at the top, you have to give the title. If it is for purchase, then write there for purchase. If it is for sale, then write there for sale. So these are the salient features, main features of the advertisement for purchase and sale. So let's see again the features of the advertisement for sale and purchase. The very first thing we have to mention is the word to be written sale / purchase / wanted. It depends upon the question. Second thing, if it is about any property here means building, then we have to mention the floor, then how many rooms, then the sizes of the rooms, then in which locality do you want to buy or sell, then in which locality it is situated, surroundings also. If we have to write the advertisement about vehicle, then the model, color, mileage, and if it is about any household goods, then also model, brand, color, and about furniture, then the material used, at last price, and then contact number. So, now let's see the question. You are Mohini of 13 134 M Block, high-rise apartments, Kochi. You wish to sell your flat as you are moving to Delhi. Draft an advertisement to the same providing at all the necessary details. So, see the solved example. First of all, as in the question, it is mentioned that one has to sell something. So, the title will be property for sale. If in the question it would be mentioned to purchase something, then the title would be property for purchase. Now, as we have seen in the feature that the very first word you have to write sale or purchase or wanted. So just see here. It's written flat for sale. Now in the brief, in short, you have to describe the thing, the property, the vehicle which you have to buy or sell. So here the flat is described. First of all, it is given about area at Fort Kochi. Then spacious. It is spacious. So it's written spacious. On the second floor, 3 BHK. So that 3 BHK children, in short it is written 3 BHK, B bedroom, H hall and K kitchen. Means there are 3 bedrooms, 1 hall and kitchen. So in short it is written about the rooms. Partially furnished. You can write fully furnished also. Means some furniture also there. Centrally located. Then about area it is written that where it is located. Then it is located in the central area. Close to school. Now the facilities. That it is very close to school. Car parking facilities also there. You can also mention that there is park, there is swimming pool. 24-hour water and power supply. This is common. This you can write in any kind of property for sale or property for purchase. Suitable for commercial purposes. This also can be mentioned in any kind of such advertisement. A reasonable price. Price has not been opened here. So reasonable price. This thing also you can take in any kind of advertisement for sale or purchase. So 3 things are here common. For commercial, suitable for commercial purpose, a reasonable price, 24-hour water and power supply. So these 3 things you can write in any kind of advertisement which is for property for sale. So children, so we have seen here that how the advertisement for sale and purchase is written. That's all.